Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm going to show you how to make deep dish barbecue chicken pizza. This is every pizza lover's dream. Barbecue sauce that's spread onto fresh pizza dough, topped with juicy chunks of chicken, topped with a mountain of cheese and other tasty toppings. It is the most delicious pizza of your life. To start, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this pizza, we got to start with the dough. I've made Rachel's delicious refrigerator pizza dough, and you can find the full blog post over on our website. Or to make it even easier, you could just buy that pre-made dough from the grocery store. You're gonna need a dough ball that's about the size of an orange. Go ahead and roll that out. To be about 1/4 of an inch thick and also about 2 inches larger in diameter than the pan that you are using. I'm using a cast iron skillet, but you could use a pie plate. Whatever you want to use, go ahead and grease that. Lay the pizza dough across the top, overlapping those edges. Otherwise, it's going to shrink down to the bottom. Using your favorite barbecue sauce, spread about 1/4 to 3/4 a cup across the bottom. The amount of sauce you use really depends on what you prefer, saucy or not. Onto that sauce layer, sprinkle on 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of cooked shredded or cubed chicken. I'm using simple rotisserie chicken that has been hand shredded. About 1/2 cup of bacon crumbles, spread across the top. Thinly sliced red onions and as much or as little as you desire. And then top this with 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. If you desire any other ingredients, add them into it, you do you. Let me know in the comments below what you'd add and I'll give it a try. Simply roll and tuck that edge into the pan. Cover this loosely with aluminum foil. Pop that into the oven and bake that for 20 minutes. Remove foil and cook for 10 to 15 more minutes until the cheese gets bubbly and brown and the dough is fully cooked. Remove and try to be patient and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with some cilantro, which brings on such a pop of freshness, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.